Hi everyone. This live stream is going to be about saving and loading game progress. For example, saving best time for each levels, unlocking levels, and things like that. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is open up the goal blueprint, which we're using in the main menu to allow the player to select the level he wants. And the first thing we should do into the construction script is get the static mesh set bit. Set hidden in game. Create a new boolean value. Is locked. Make it editable, expose it on spawn, and make it false by default. So if we set it to true, level 2 is still accessible. Well, that ain't good. Okay, so we're also gonna have to event hit, place a new branch over there. And we're gonna have to make sure that is locked is false in order to load the next level. So it still collides, which is kind of inconvenient, I guess. Now how about we set the collision response. Set collisions enabled. Let's see, select option 1 should be, we're actually gonna, okay, so true, collision enabled, query and no, if it's locked, we don't want any collision. If it's not locked, we want collisions enabled. So cool. So yeah, now like this we can prevent the player from entering a level that he didn't unlock just yet. So we're gonna just go ahead and lock all of them. Like so. So there's only the first level that can be accessed from the main menu. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it so that every time the player finishes a level, it unlocks the next level. And so the way that we're gonna do that is to get the level blueprint. Good. Okay, so we're gonna go into the content, create new blueprint class from save game, and we're gonna call it progress save. We're gonna need variables. Okay, this is gonna have to be an array of Boolean value, and so we're gonna call it level locked. So we currently have 5 levels. So just to make it easier, we're not gonna use the 0 value. The 1 value should be unlocked, and number level 2, 3, 4, and 5 should be locked as well, like so. So what we're actually gonna do instead is unlock them in the level, and into the level blueprint onto begin play. Oh, it's not the level blueprint, okay. So begin play, okay. Create save game object. Select our progress save class. We're gonna hit wait, I'm actually gonna have to kind of remember how it works. Haven't done that in quite a long time, actually. Oh yeah, okay. So load game from slot. That's what I wanted. So first of all, we're gonna make sure that this exists. Is valid. Okay. So if it's not valid, we're gonna create one. And if it is valid, then we're gonna actually use it. So slot name should be progress. Good. Okay, so like that, we should be able to get the what level are actually locked. And then we're gonna, inside the blueprint, we're gonna create an array of these. Or actually get all. Yeah, instead of that, we're gonna get all of the actuals with goal blueprint. Now, for each loop, we're gonna get the array index, cast that to gold, even though I don't know if it's gonna be necessary. Can I just set the value right there? Oh yeah, I don't even need to cast it. Good. So, yeah, now because I don't use the 0, I'm actually gonna have to +1 the index. So that the first level, the first gold blueprint, is actually gonna be checking the value number 1 instead of the value number 0. So now they're all unlocked. And it didn't work for some reason. Okay, because the save game was not created. Now it is. And it still doesn't. Let me just so we're gonna make an array. Oops. So just still not working. Actually, yeah, it is working. This level is locked. Why is the last level not locked? So 0 to 4, okay. I should make it 1 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. One, two, three, four, five. This one's locked for some reason. This one isn't. Okay, that's probably because it's not loading them in the right order for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna modify the goal blueprint. Add a new variable. That's gonna be an integer. That's gonna be actual level. It'll be editable, expose and spawn. So this will be gate to level 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5. Cool. But then go back to the level blueprint, get actual level. And that should do the trick. Level 1's unlocked. Level 2 is locked. 3, 4. Oops, missed. Level 5 is locked as well. Okay. Now, the only problem is this is actually happening onto the event construct. So what we're gonna do instead is make the variable is locked a rep notify, which will give us a function that'll execute every time the value is locked changes. We're gonna put that code here instead. So now when we play it, well, all the locked level aren't shown. Boom. So now what I need to do is make these levels unlock. So let's go to the map, level 1. Here actual level is going to be 1. And then onto environments, our goal blueprint. Another thing we're gonna do is okay, we should do that before this. Or actually, nope, we're gonna give it another branch. So add new variable boolean. This will need to be true by default. Make it more simple. And we're gonna call it unlock next level. So we're just gonna have to go into the main menu and set it to false. So we're gonna plug both of these in this branch. So whether or not we use the transition UMG, we're still gonna make sure to check that. So get the actual level +1 to get the next level. So we're gonna load gain from slot. Slot name will be progress. Then we're gonna cast it. Cast the progress save. Then set level locked. Get level locked. How am I gonna do that? Make error. I guess I'll do for each loop, something like that. No, actually I can't do that. Can I set only one variable from that array without modifying the other variables? Let me Google that real quick. Set array element. Set. Yes. So index should be that, and it should be through. Okay. And then save being too slow. Progress. Okay. Okay. So unlock next level. If it's true, we load game slot, get the array, set the next level boolean to true, and then save it again. Okay. So that unlock next level is true. I'm just gonna go into the level select map, save selected, select all of these, and make unlock next level to false. If I hit play, just gonna make sure that this works. Next level, and if I hit play again, oh, level 2 is still locked. So that's not good. Okay, so probably the thing is I need to do that before all of this. That's really the only reason I could see as to why it isn't working. Now I'm also gonna have to, even if it's false, we're still gonna go into the next. Alright, give that another little try. Level 2 is locked. Oops. Oops. Why is level 1 locked as well? Wait, what? You know what I'm gonna do? Under project, ball game, saved, save game progress. Delete that. Okay. Now it created a fresh save game. Level 1 is locked. Okay, cool. Level blueprints. See what's going on. Actual level 1. So it should be false. Although it's visible. So it's not a locking problem. I just messed up something in there, I guess. Oh, yeah, I did. There. That should fix it. Okay, cool. And level 2 was not unlocked again. Okay. Should I be saving this one instead of the one I casted from? It's been a little while I didn't mess with a save and load system, so sorry about the confusion. Nope. Yeah, okay, so I absolutely have no unlock next level, yes. Actual level 1, okay. Well, that should work. I really don't see any reason for it not to work. just gotta make sure. Still not working. Oh. Oh, damn it. Gold blueprint. There, gotta make it false, not true. That's it. Okay. Whew. Alright. Sorry about that. So, into progress save, we actually don't need any of these. Actually, do we? Yeah, we do. So all of these are locked. Okay, cool. So now we've unlocked level 2. See level 3. It's still locked. Now what I need to do is go into the map for level 2. Grab that, unlock next level. Yes, this is ID 2. Save. Unlock next level. Yeah, this is ID 3. This is 4. This is level 5. Good, 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 good. And now, okay, level 2 is unlocked, so we're gonna go through level 2 to unlock level 3. Or at least try. cool. So if I go back to main menu and play, see level 3 has been unlocked, and we can now go on to level 3. Good. Now level 4 has been unlocked as well. Good. So this is working. Environment, gold blueprint. We're just gonna remove the print string there, because it's rather annoying. And we're gonna create a new variable for the best time. So it'll be a float variable. So add new variable, float array, best time. So what we want to do is get best time and get to get time seconds. If this one is smaller. This is getting quite messy. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit later. Size to fit. Index should be actual level. And the item so if our actual time is smaller than the best time that's recorded, this will return true, and so we're gonna set the smallest time as the current time, and if it's false and the best time is bigger than the actual time, then we're gonna reset this. So we should save that, and we're gonna need there again. We're gonna set them kind of pretty high, actually, like 250 seconds. And now we need a way to display the best time into the level selection. gonna have another Boolean value, I guess. Show best time, editable, expose, and spawn. Default to false, I guess, and then we're gonna get this, do that. I guess this should be a branch, right? And it more than likely should be a different text render. Okay, cool. Target should be text render 1. Okay. Yeah. Show best time. I guess we should all make these through. $250. Yeah, now they're not just gonna cooperate, are they? So even graph. I guess we're gonna give both of them the same rotation. Just like that. Because why not? Nope, that ain't gonna work. Okay. Oh, of course. Okay. Well, that's a little bit excessive, but now if that works, $250. Okay, well, that didn't work, of course. Now the loading part worked, because otherwise I wouldn't see the 250. So it has to be the saving part that isn't working properly. So actual level, best time. So if time in seconds is smaller than 250, we set array element to that before saving. Wait, what? It actually worked? When did that work? Seven. Okay, main menu play. That's still 9.49. Okay, so it worked once. I don't quite know why. Guess I should be doing that at a beg and play, not at the event construct, first of all. Ah, there it is. Okay. I guess loading game slot in an event construct is a bad idea. So, yeah. So, 7.74 seconds is the best for this one. And level 5 is still locked. Yay. Then we're gonna unlock it. Or at least try. Good. So now this level is unlocked. Yeah, level 5 is unlocked. And level 4 has a new best time value up there. Okay, cool. So if best time equals 0, which is an empty value, we're gonna set the text to be that instead of the time. And best time should be 0, 0, 0 everywhere. And then here there should be or the actual best time equals 0. Okay, cool. Now let's give that a try. 50 seconds. Yeah, okay. So yeah, when doing changes to game slots like that, you need to delete the save game often to update it. Alright, so level 1, 8.75 seconds. Level 2, just unlocked with no best time yet. So we're gonna do that. Cool. And level 3 got unlocked, and the best time for level 2 got saved. Okay, so that's pretty much what I wanted to do for this stream. So you can now unlock levels by finishing a level and save the best time for each levels as well. So yeah. Now I believe that this is everything I wanted to do. So might needs a little bit of polishing, but yeah. So let's say I want to add a level 6 into that, just to spice things up a little bit. I'll move that BSB there. Then I'll copy and paste these 6,000, so that'll be oops, something like that. Now actual level should be 6. Text will be 6 as well. Good. And the level name will be default, because I don't have a level 6 yet. So just to test it. So our level 6 is unlocked by default. Okay, so you really need to go into progress save and add a level 6 and have it locked, and also add a best time for it. And then you'll also need to delete progress save and update it in there, I guess. So first time you load the game only creates the save game, then level 6 is there. Okay, cool. So it's fairly easy to add some new levels to the level selection screen. Of course, you couldn't really do that as a DLC, so I should come up with a better way of doing all this, I guess. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna stop the stream there, and you have a good day.